And our crew's taking this slow roll approach as they work their way toward the dock. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at Black Point. Cap, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, it's in reverse. Cap left the helm, and the boat's in gear. Our guy's gonna try and put it into neutral. And Cap is hanging on. That was almost bad. Guys, this is why you don't leave the helm, especially if there's somebody else on the boat. Now, I'm guessing we have somebody who probably, they may know what they're doing on the boat, but I don't know. And we're gonna hit the light dock touch, and he's already back in reverse. What I'm seeing here, though, is not confidence inspiring at all. You've got the line, Cap. Tell him to put it in neutral or even kill the motor. Coming in hot again. We're gonna scrape it the whole way down the dock. Cap's got the stern line now as well. Oh no, he's gonna back into the dock. What are you doing? Tell him to turn it off. This is hard to watch. Why is the motor still on? Oh my God, he just backed into the dock. Unbelievable. And Cap just throws the line and gives up. Cap, this is your fault. You could get mad all you want, bro, but you left the boat with the motor still on. Oh my gosh, this is just unbelievable to watch. So, we just grab this dock, guys. Turn the motor off. Grab the... Oh, nope. We're going to hit there, too. What in the world is going on? This isn't that, shocking type of content where, somebody's falling overboard, but this is cringy to watch. It's hard to watch because I just want to yell for them to turn the motor off, but now they don't have that option. And we're going to try resetting this, and maybe that's what they need. Maybe they just need a reset. Maybe my man's got some skills hiding somewhere that I don't know about. I doubt it. And we've got the reset. Here we go on attempt number 2. And here we go, working his way toward the dock. We get the toss of the line, the miss, brake check. And there's another boat coming in down here, but that has no clue that they need to stay completely away from this situation. Maybe Cap on the dock will warn them? Yeah, you don't want to be anywhere near this, guys. And coming in a little hot, tosses the line, we miss again. And Cap steps back onto the boat after we hit the dock. And my man, I'm just confused, though, by this whole situation. Oh, Cap's gunning the throttle. He is obviously mad. But he can only be mad at himself. I'm telling you now, he should have never left the helm. And he had 2 lines in his hand at one point in time. All he had to do was tell my man, just turn the motor off. Leave it in neutral. A million things could have stopped this. But, oh my. I think this so far has probably been the toughest 3.5 minutes of boat ramps that I've had to watch. And so Cap's going to go ahead and make his attempt to get this thing back on the dock. Everybody's in the bow. I wonder if they're just staying away from Cap because he's that angry. And this should have been the approach we had set up in the beginning. Somebody else going off with lines. Cap makes his final turn. Now, I will give our backup Cap a little bit of, I don't want to call it credit because that's not what I'm giving, but an excuse is what I'm about to give. You can hear the wind whipping. It is a tremendously windy day down here at Black Point. And everybody's been struggling. So if you're somebody who doesn't do this or doesn't drive boats, you would definitely be in trouble down here today, just like we saw our guy was. Cap, you're back off the boat again. This time, whatever you do, I would not let go of that line. And he's got 2 lines in his hand, and we should be done. Thankfully. And our crew's going to battle to try and get on 10 here. This has been a tough one all day. As we mentioned earlier, that wind is whipping today. Everybody's had to battle this current, and it's been kicking everybody's tail. So our captain here, you can already tell he's struggling a little bit. Wifey goes for the pole grab. Cap goes for the pole grab. No, he's pushing himself off. That was not good because now the wind and current have you. Gotta watch out for the boats and the dock on the other side. Wifey went for a move and it looks like fell. So Cap's trying to back out of this. And we're gonna have to try and set it up again. Okay, I do like this move. A lot of times we'll see people try and turn right back into the dock when they do that, and that's tough, man. You want to just reset yourself up completely, and that's what Cap's going to do here. Give him the best opportunity for success. Oh no, they still got the line in the water. Cap, the line's in the water. It's getting jerked back behind the motor. Oh my gosh, they're getting so lucky right now. Looks like the kid, he notices that he's trying to pull it out of the water, but I mean, that was coming straight back toward the motor on the prop. It looks like he still has control, so I'm guessing we didn't get it hung up. Yep. Oh, but it got pulled back again. It did now. Cap looks back. They just sucked it up. I'm pretty sure they just sucked that line into the prop. Cap looked back like what was going on. You saw the line jerk out of Junior's hands. I can't tell. It's still loose, but they're on the dock. I always get nervous when I see people standing on these back decks like this. You were one throttle punch away from being in that prop. So Cap's trying to line it up. Oh, shifts gears. She's just lucky that he was going in reverse and she fell forward. Man, that's why you gotta stay in the cockpit on these guys. Don't bother coming out. Just do it from the cockpit. There's no need to step on that rear deck until the boat's on the dock. At least in most cases. So at least she's down and hanging on now. And Cap's gonna try and reset this back up. But he's gonna take it easy now, realizing she's on the back. And speaking of taking it easy, they're going to take it easy and try and get out of here, and we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.